By the end of 2026, AI will have created over 2 million new freelance opportunities. Most people don't know which ones actually pay. I'm going to show you the 5 that are working right now with real numbers. Before I get into the list, here's the one thing I want you to understand. AI doesn't replace your income. AI gives you leverage. It lets you do in 2 hours what used to take 20. That's the real money, selling that leverage to businesses. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate, scalable services that you can start this week with no upfront investment. Let's go. Hustle number 1. AI content writing number 1. AI-powered content writing for small businesses. Here's the truth. Every business needs blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters. Most of them hate writing. That's where you come in. You use tools like ChatGPT to draft content, then you edit it to add the business's voice and real information. You're not just copying AI output, you're quality controlling it. That's the service. What does it pay? Beginners charge $30 to $50 per piece. At 20 pieces a month, that's $600 to $1,000 part-time. Top earners charge $100 to $300 per piece. How to get clients? Go to LinkedIn. Search your city small business owner. Send a message that says, I help local businesses create content in half the time for half the cost of a traditional agency. Want to see a free sample for your business? Simple, effective. Pause. I want you to actually take notes on this next one because it's the one most people sleep on. Hustle number 2. AI video editing number 2. AI video editing for content creators. Tools like Descript and CapCut AI can cut silences, add subtitles, remove filler words automatically. A video that used to take 4 hours to edit now takes 45 minutes. You sell this as a service to YouTubers and business owners who create video content but hate editing. You charge $50 to $150 per video. Land 5 clients uploading once a week. That's $250 to $750 every week. The best part? Most of your work is reviewing what the AI already did. You're a quality checker, not an editor. Hustle number 3. AI chatbot setup. Number 3, and this one has the highest income ceiling of the list. AI chatbot setup for local businesses. Every restaurant, salon, dental office, and retail store needs to answer the same 20 questions every day. What are your hours? Do you take walk-ins? How much does X cost? AI chatbots answer all of that automatically. You go in, set up the chatbot using tools like Tidio or ManyChat, both free to start and charge. $300 to $800 for the setup, then $100 to $200 per month for maintenance. That recurring monthly fee is where real income is built. In the USA and UK, there are millions of small businesses not using this yet. You can be the person who brings it to your local area. We've covered content, video, and chatbots. The next 2 are ones I personally think are the biggest opportunities right now. Don't skip ahead. Hustle number 4. AI thumbnail design. Number 4. AI thumbnail and graphic design for YouTubers. There are over 50 million YouTube creators. Most of them know bad thumbnails, kill views. Almost none of them have time to design good ones. You use tools like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly to generate concept images. Then refine them in Canva, charge $25 to $75 per thumbnail, or offer a monthly package of 8 thumbnails for $300. This is a repeating need creators upload every week. Once you land a client, you keep getting paid. Hustle number 5. AI business plan. Writing number 5. AI business plan, writing for entrepreneurs. Thousands of people every month are applying for small business loans, grants, and pitch competitions, and they need a professional business plan. Most don't know how to write one. You use AI to build the structure and financial projections, then customize it for each client. Charge $200 to $500 per plan. Even at 4 clients a month, that's $800 to $2,000. Where to find them? Facebook groups for entrepreneurs. Reddits are small business. And local business Facebook groups are full of people asking about this right now. So that's your 5. Content writing, video editing, chatbot setup, thumbnail design, and business plan writing. All of them use AI as a tool, not a replacement. You're selling your time and quality control. Pick one, not all 5. Start with the one that feels most natural to you. If this video helped, subscribe. I post practical business strategies every week specifically for the USA and UK market. Drop in the comments, Which of these 5 are you starting first? I read every single one.